carbon Bluebird 44-passenger bus. It has an 8.3 Cummins motor, Allison automatic transmission, great condition tires all around, super clean undercarriage, no rust. It just passed Virginia State Safety Inspection, and that is good until December of 2019. You'll notice that all of the windshield glass is in great condition. No chips or cracks. All of the skirting on the side of the bus is in great condition without any dents or scratches. You've got what appears to be a new driver's seat. Interior controls, radio and PA system both work. 62,000 miles. Interior seats do show a little bit of wear. My understanding is this was used by the Army and that the backpacks would hit the seats as they walked through. Overall, really nice, clean bus.